Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin. Today we'll take another look into the charts. And what do we see? We see a correction for the S&P 500 or a bullish retest. We'll take a closer look. We see the Dixie going up a little bit, the dollar. Nasdaq correcting, same as the S&P 500. Closer look at the dollar. And I mean, you know, it's bouncing and that is bad. On a weekly, not that bad. On the 4 hourly, yeah, quite the good bounce over here. What we do not want to see is them making a higher high compared to this one. For now, it is a good bounce. S&P 500 on this horizontal previous all-time high, good retest. Need to look what they can do because we want them to hold that support over there. Or this one. For now, still okay, still looking good, but should bounce over there. Bitcoin. I explained it to you the last few videos. Funding low, you buy. Funding high, you sell. And what do we see? We see it very, very high over here. And bearish for our candle, I think. Really high wick into the 50,000s on several exchanges, not on every exchange, but most, just all wicked into the 50Ks, and we sold off from there. Like I said, fundings and premiums very high. This chart, this is like the chart I am holding for it. And I mean, I think we need to make a lower low to make everybody bearish, to make everybody short the bottom, so we can break it again. For now, I'm not too sure what's gonna happen in the shorter time frame. We need to make people bearish, and we need to shake out newcomers. I had a very profitable day trading this. I'm flat now. I had my fun. I'm gonna hang out a little bit because I think downside is coming. That is about that. I mean, there are several possibilities here. We either do this, shake out these, do something like that, or this was the top and we do something like that. Or like I said, this was the top. Why? Well, all the shorts got ran over here. All their stops got ran, so we do not have a lot of shorts at the moment. Ethereum, kind of the same. Not looking too well over here. Let's see if we can find some trend lines. Would say they broke this one or about to break. Rising wedges, we've seen a lot of rising wedges for Ethereum lately. But this could be toppy. I know you guys do not want to hear it. I'm not saying the bull market is over, but you know, people need to be shaken out to see fundings come down, to see premiums come down. People are a bit too trigger happy. I mean, if Bitcoin goes up, BTC ratios, alt BTC ratios are hurting. We see this for Ethereum BTC. Long-term goal still 0.05. ADA very strong still. All-time highs. Let's take a look at the hourly. Had a nice little wick over here, shakeout, and chart is looking good. Not too bad. Good shakeout over there for everyone using leverage. If you're having trouble using leverage, if you always get stopped out or even liquidated, you know, contact me. I can offer some help for that. Yeah, it's looking good. Targets, I mean, use the Fibonacci levels for it. I never really use Fibonacci levels. Chart is looking good. I think reversal coming here. Previous daily, super mega bullish. Probably waiting now for BTC to calm down. Dot still in the rising wedge. Looking for more upside. Still looking strong. Gonna made a new all-time high today and probably will close at the highest daily close ever. So that's good for BTC, looking very strong here as well. Also about to make the highest daily high ever. And yeah, just continuation to the upside, looking very good. SXP doing very good, had a little bit of a shakeout, probably consolidation or bounce from here. Looking very good. Stops should be over there. Get out if we're over there. I've been covering this coin since it was over there. But yeah, doing very good, very well. And like I said, you know, all BTC ratios are hurting when BTC is doing good. So yeah, I would expect SXP to bounce around, yeah, over here I would say. Sushi, I wouldn't like to trade Sushi now. This looks toppy to me. Just so you guys know, I do not like it. Why do I not like it? Well, because this one broke. Yeah, I wouldn't be trading Sushi. I'm saying that because one of my followers got into Sushi. But yeah, I don't like this chart. It's slowing down over here, and momentum seems to start yeah, to fade away, and yeah, it's possible a short over here for me if I were trading it. I'm not trading it. Like I said, Bitcoin could be a top, could come down to 40k, I would say. I do not want that to happen, but we have to yeah, look at the possibilities. Like I said, too many longs right now. It's not really about TA. TA is looking bullish. Bearish thing you could draw over here would be something like this, which some people are seeing, and I can see them seeing it. But it would be something like this, a rising wedge usually, or a rising channel, usually a bearish pattern. Could break down indeed. Places to buy for me would be either here or somewhere here, you know, like all these stops basically. Something to buy would be over here. But like I said, dollar bouncing is something we need to keep an eye on. S&P going down is something we need to keep an eye on as well. I'm staying flat for today. I had a very profitable day. I will look to long again if we're out of this range, because right now it's a bit of a, yeah, it's a bit chop for me. I had my trades. Breaking 50k was very weird as well. We went up. We went down real quick first. Let me tell you guys my story. We went down real quick first. Then we went down like up above 50k, then down again, and then we bounced again. So we like ran all the stops over here, ran the stops over there, ran the stops over there, and then we consolidated a little bit and now broke down. Lower time frame is telling me we will go up again. This is how I'm doing my lower time frame trades. Just looking at this, breaking down right now, but I'm just looking at trend lines on a very small time frame. Also looking for higher lows and higher highs. And that is really what I am looking for always. And yeah, that is about it. This was very fun as well last night. This was just after the daily close. I longed here and I was ready to go to bed, but I longed here and I was like, I'm ready to sell over here, ready to sell. So I started selling a little bit, and then we had this mega pump over here, and we broke these levels over here, like this underside of this one. Like we're right at that level right now, but we just broke like these levels over here. You can see it in the VPVR as well, very important level. And I mean, so I was in the trade, and yeah, I sold most of it over here in this area, and I went to bed, woke up, longed again, this range over here, tapped down a little bit, and then went to the moon. So that was my trading day a bit. Do I see something else on a really small time frame? Just showing you guys a little bit what I trade based upon. right now I would be looking at this line. And like I just drawn, you know, this is something I would trade as well. Stop would be over here. And this, I mean, I don't like shorting in a bull market really. It can be very profitable. I'm just looking for dumps to buy, basically. But breaking of this line would, yeah, make me go flat. So that is about that. If you guys have any questions, suggestions for the videos, let me know. I'm flat right now for everything. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment like what you guys like to see. What do you want me to change in my YouTube videos? See you guys again tomorrow.